And we continue with the third part of this video series. So, as you remember, we already defined all of the zones. Total is 5 zones we defined. So when we set each zone, first we will choose the zone and we will double click on this zone. If we use the more character on our distance relay, we have to choose this section. But if we use the quad character in our relay, we have to choose the quads system. So when we click the quad system, and so because I'm using the quad character, so I will use this shape. When we click the quads button, a shape will come on your screen automatically. This is the default results, default settings. So we will set the values in here which we use in our relay, and I have a calculation file in here. So zone 1, zone 2, it's written in Turkish but I will describe you. Zone 1 forward, zone 2 forward, zone 3 forward, zone 4 forward, and zone 5 reverse. I already calculated in this file. So it's written everything in here. I will just put on my Omicron Tst universe. So let's continue. The angle, when you click in here, you will see which one is which border is defined in here. I'm using the 0 angle in this border. When you put 0 angle in here, you will see it will parallel in the x-axis. Then I'm just setting like that in here because I wanted this border. How can I explain? This must be on this section. On this axis, because my Siemens 7SA is working according to this shape, so here will be stay like that, but you can change according to your relay, for example 3 or 23. It's up to you. Actually, it's up to your relay configuration. I'm using 0, or you can change, for example, it's written, I'm sorry, it will be, if I change this degree, it will be see easily, for example 23 degree, and I want to pass on R3, for example 3, you see 3 in here, but 3 it's passing through. When you continue in this axis like that, you will find the R3 on this axis, on this x-axis, or if you change, for example 1, you see it's passing on. This degree is 23 and this value, this area is 1 on the x-axis. But as I told you, on Siemens relay we are using 0, 0 and 0. When we pass the second one, I will see zone 1 forwards, R1 face to ground, face to face. Face to face is 1.26. 1.26. It's not complicated. When I communicate with the other engineers, as I ask them how can we set these values when I started in this job, they explain many things to me, but they are really complicated, but it's not necessary. Just calculate your value, just calculate your zone area, and firstly, you must define your value, okay, and then just for this area, for this border, for example, for this right border, just please calculate the passing R value. There is no more necessary. It's not necessary X value and R value because all of the angle axis is passing on the R on the X axis. So it's not necessary X value and R value is complicated. Just as I show you for zone 1 forwards area, R1 face to face 1.26, 1.26, as you know in here, but we have to see in here 27.52. As you remember, we defined our line angle 29, so if you put in here 29, you see 29 angle, it will be parallel with your line angle, so it will give you the best testing results in this type. So I'm passing the third one is the horizontal line on the top, so it will be the horizontal like that's 180 degree, but we have to define in here x-axis. Let's pass the calculation file. Calculation file is giving us 1.1 ohm for x1 reach. X1 reach, it means on the x-axis for zone 1 is reaching up to where? It's giving this value 1.1. It's okay. This one, it's written default system 135 degree, but we are using, as you know, 79 degree, so I'm putting 79 degree, but as you see on the screen, it's just located on the right side of the x-axis. So but think about that, our line angle is here, so our line will be on this left border. We don't want like the situation, so we are giving the best results. For the best results, if we put 9 degree for the right side and 1.26 ohm, we are putting 79 degree, and in here minus 1.26 ohm. It will be best results for your test. I'm clicking the OK button you see in here, and we will continue zone 2 in the next part of this series. Thank you.